This is Math Lesson 135 if you're doing the Abeka videos, and it's page 269 in your seat work. We're going to do sections 1, 2, 3, and 4 on this video, and then I'll come back and do the remaining sections on another video. So the first section, section 1, says, it asks a question. It says, how many cents? So it wants us to count the coins. So we'll count these going across and write the answer here, and then we'll count these and write the answer there, and then we'll add them together to get a total. So we know that when we count quarters, we count by 25s. 25, 50. So 50 cents. Now we're counting by fives. 5, 10, 15. We're going to add these in columns, so we're going to do the ones place first, and then we'll do the tens place. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. There is 65 cents there. And remember, this symbol is the same as writing the word cents or cents. It's just a faster way to write it. We all know what that symbol means. Now, I know they wanted you to do it this way and get the answer and then give the total, but then we're going to go back and we're just going to count coins as if we were going to get we're just going to be continuing to count. So, 25, 50, 55, 60, 65. So that's how we came to 65 cents. All right, now we're going to move to section 2, and it just says to add. So again, we add the ones place first. I always start with the large number. 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 7 plus 2 equals 9. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we have a total of 69. All right, now let's move to section 3, which is down here. So you have balls on your page, and I didn't have any balls, so I'm just using circles, okay? So the instructions say circle 1 dozen balls. How much is a dozen? A dozen is 12. When your mom buys eggs in the grocery store, she buys usually 12 eggs at a time. You can buy 18, so that's more than a dozen, but most people buy 1 dozen eggs. So a dozen is 12. So because 12 is an even number, because 2 is an even number, I can count by 2s. So I would do it this way. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. This is 12 balls, which is 1 dozen balls. Okay, now we're going to move to section 4. You're going to write the missing numbers. We have to figure out what number is missing. 5 plus 6 equals 11. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now we have subtraction here. So the easiest way to figure out a subtraction problem is just to ask yourself, what do I need to add to 2 to get 8 again? 8 minus 6 equals 2, because I know that if I added 6 to 2, I would get 8. And so I automatically just start adding in my head, and that's how we would get those answers.